Welcome back to Bertology. Today we're diving into something truly unbelievable. The world's largest and most expensive luxury motorhome ever built. Imagine a vehicle so luxurious that it feels less like an RV and more like a five-star mansion on wheels. A place where technology, comfort, and extreme wealth meet the open road. This extraordinary motorhome pushes the boundaries of what a traveling home can be, combining futuristic design with billionaire-level luxury. At first glance, this motorhome looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Its sleek aerodynamic body stretches over 40 feet long and towers above ordinary RVs. The exterior is finished with a glossy metallic paint that reflects sunlight like polished chrome. Massive panoramic windows wrap around the sides, giving passengers breathtaking views of the landscape as they travel. Hidden LED lighting lines the edges of the vehicle, making it glow elegantly at night, like a luxury yacht cruising down the highway. But the real magic begins when you step inside. The interior of this motorhome is designed to rival the world's most luxurious hotels. As the door opens, you're welcomed by marble flooring, soft ambient lighting, and handcrafted leather furniture. Every inch of the interior has been carefully designed by luxury architects and designers to create a modern, elegant atmosphere. The living room features large plush sofas, a massive Ultra HD smart television, and a fully automated entertainment system that can transform the entire space into a private cinema. One of the most jaw-dropping features is the expandable living area. With the push of a button, the sides of the motorhome slide outward, instantly increasing the interior space. This transformation makes the living room feel more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. Suddenly, there's enough space for a full lounge, dining area, and even a small office. It's almost impossible to believe that all of this can travel down the highway. Moving further inside, you'll find a gourmet kitchen that could compete with the kitchens of top restaurants. The countertops are made from rare stone, and the cabinets are crafted from polished hardwood. High-end appliances are built into the walls, including a smart refrigerator, induction stove, wine cooler, and espresso machine. Everything is designed to make life on the road feel just as comfortable as living in a luxury penthouse. The bedroom area is where this motorhome truly shows its billionaire personality. The master suite includes a king-size bed with premium memory foam mattresses and silk bedding. Surrounding the bed are soft LED lights, elegant wall panels, and large windows that allow you to wake up with stunning views of mountains, oceans, or forests. A hidden wardrobe slides open to reveal enough storage space for weeks of travel. Right next to the bedroom is a luxurious bathroom that feels more like a spa than an RV bathroom. Marble surfaces, gold-plated fixtures, and a full-glass rain shower create a relaxing environment. Some versions of this motorhome even include heated floors, smart mirrors with built-in displays, and automated climate control to keep the temperature perfect at all times. Technology is another area where this motorhome stands, far ahead of anything else on the road. The entire vehicle is powered by an advanced smart system that controls lighting, temperature, security, and entertainment with a single touchscreen panel. With just one tap, you can dim the lights, close the blinds, start music, or adjust the climate throughout the entire motorhome. Another incredible feature is the rooftop terrace. Yes, this motorhome actually has a rooftop lounge area. A hidden staircase leads to the top, where passengers can relax on comfortable outdoor furniture, enjoy a drink, and watch sunsets from above the road. It's like having a private luxury balcony wherever you travel. Underneath all this luxury is a powerful engineering masterpiece. The motorhome is built on a heavy-duty truck chassis powered by a massive engine designed to handle the weight of this mobile mansion. Advanced suspension systems ensure that the ride remains smooth even on long journeys. Despite its enormous size and weight, it glides down highways with surprising stability and comfort. Security is also taken extremely seriously. This motorhome includes advanced surveillance cameras, biometric door locks, and reinforced safety systems to protect its wealthy owners. Some models even feature satellite communication systems, so passengers can stay connected anywhere in the world, even in remote deserts or mountains. Of course, all this luxury comes with an astonishing price tag. The world's most expensive motorhomes can cost anywhere from $2 million to over $3 million, depending on customization. For that price, owners can personalize everything from the interior materials to the technology, lighting, and layout. Each motorhome becomes a completely unique masterpiece built specifically for its owner. For billionaires and celebrities, these motorhomes offer something priceless: freedom. Instead of staying in hotels or flying between cities, they can bring their luxury lifestyle with them wherever they go. Whether it's a cross-country road trip, a film production set, or a private adventure through scenic landscapes, this motorhome delivers the comfort of a luxury. It's not just a vehicle. It's a statement of extreme wealth, innovation, and engineering brilliance. The world's largest and most expensive luxury, Motorhome proves that when money and imagination come together, even the idea of a simple RV can transform into something extraordinary. From its futuristic exterior to its palace-like interior, this incredible machine redefines the concept of traveling.